How to review products you wanted on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review products you wanted on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this three lines in the top corner. Click on it, go down, click settings, and now just scroll down until you find activity log. And here you will find logged actions and other activity. Click on it and here you will find products you wanted, and as you see here you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.